Hello everybody. Really not too long, but a lot of people ask me, Pasquale, when you cook, the stove, it's messy when you cook. Who clean the stove? I clean the stove. A lot of people say that it's really hard to clean this stove. It's not hard at all. What do you need? The soap. Now this soap, it's with a lemon, smells so good, and clean good. And you need 2 towels, one for dry and one for wash. Now, what I want to show, this is that one, or the other one, it's the same, and I use the water. I like it to be hot water. You squeeze, and after what you do, this is the soap. Not put too much, okay? You put just like that.
Jerem say you use dirt for clean.
You see, like this. That's it. Now what you do, I put water again. Okay, now you squeeze. Squeeze good. It smells really, really good. It's same thing when I wash the glass. A lot of people wash the glass with a regular soap, and when you wash the glass, you want to run away from you. But with this one, it's so nice. This thing stick on the glass. Now, what I do like this. You see over here all dirty, and I do like that. Now, this you do the way like this. Just to go like that. And it not take too long at all. I show, after you take out, you put it right over here. Shine. And the rag, nice and clean. And you keep it for next time. And this other one you wash, you leave it dry. That's it. And this is the soap I use. And this, Salute Chin Chin, or this soap gets really good. And you let me know. Chin Chin and salute. We see you next time. Thank you.